Hi, you can earn $1,250 per month from free broad. Yes, this is the make money online method that I'm about to show you in this video. You just have to follow my instructions step by step. You do not have to sell anything. You do not have to do any affiliate marketing. You do not have to have any social media followers for that. You do not have to invest any money. This is 100% free way to earn $1,000 or more per month without any problem. But before I show you that, welcome to Money Hunt. Hi, this is Jash from Money Hunt. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method by which you can earn $1,250 or even more by just following this video. You have to just watch it till the end and do the method as it is. So the site that I'm about to show you is called Creative Jobs. This is the address is cjinc.info. This is the website that going to pay us for some works we are doing using a free tool that I am about to show you. They have lots of jobs, but definitely they're going to pay you for that job to complete. So if you have a few hours a day which you can spend in front of your PC and execute small time-bound and highly payful tasks, then you are the right place. We recruit and hire flexible people who thrive on change and challenge, who are innovative and self-confident, and who seek immediate responsibility. We will pay you for your time. If you are free to join, yes, we are also free. So this is what they are saying in this website. They are providing some jobs like market research, typing jobs, proofreading jobs, translation jobs, advertising jobs, and online teaching jobs. Any way you prefer, you just join and do your job and you can get good amount of money with that. You can just click on this. You can see that those are really good payout rate, and if you just know some languages, you can earn a very decent amount of money. If you just know some fast typing, you can do typing jobs here, and this will pay you very good amount. But for this video, we are focusing on proofreading jobs. So proofreading jobs is a very good work to do without any problem, and it's very easy. And I'm going to show you a really free bot and very professional way that you can use that bot to complete these jobs and get payment from Creative Jobs website. So this is very interesting. You can scroll down and you can see that peoples from Philippines, United States, Australia, already they are saying their reviews here, and you can see people's work from anywhere in the world. If you want to become a location independent and work from anywhere in the world, or perhaps you just want to flexibility to work for yourself, then this is the place for you. This is the site. You can earn money as much as you want without any investment. So this is very good way to start earning money, free way to start earning money right now, right in these situations. The cjinc.info is one of the few places where you can start with $0 and work your way up to full-time income for your life. So this is a very good lifetime opportunity to work from home, and you can make great amount of money. So what are the requirements here? If you just go over there and in mouse over to career menu, you can see that there are all the jobs are listed here. You can just click on proofreading jobs. As we are interested in this video, we click on this and this page will show up all the details about proofreading. And what is proofreading? These terms comes from the proofs, the final trial print used to make corrections before the final printing. So the proofreader comes through the work looking for any glitches. In proofreading work includes spaces, punctuation, spelling, alignment, type fonts and style, and other details as well. So you have to correct full article that they are going to give you, and you have to proofread and submit it back to them, and you will get money for that. So if you just look on to the job rates here, you can see that as a proofreader, you can earn $5 to $10 per page or per 1,000 words. So rates are depends on the work nature and accuracy level. So the more accurate you are, more money you can make. So the expected earning, you can see there is an estimation of that. Suppose if you get proofreading work with the rate of $5 per page and you proofreading 10 files per day, then your daily earnings will be $50. And if you do this work only for 25 days a month, and you can earn $1,250 per month. That is why I'm talking about this amount in this video, and you can earn even more. This is just an example how you can get paid from them. You can do more work. It's just 10 files per day. You can just do 50 files, 100 files per day, and your money will skyrocket, and you will get a healthy amount of money every month without going outside. It just work from home opportunity. You just need some basic English. If you just need you can just talk in English, write in English, you can do this. And I'm going to provide you the free tools. You do not need to be an expert on English. I'm going to provide you a free tools by which you can do this automatically without any problem. So if you just scroll down, you can see that they are paying you by PayPal and check or any online money transfer way, but they require $25 as a minimum to ask for payout. So this is it guys. This is the way. This is absolutely free. You do not have to invest any money before or after joining and working with Creative Jobs. So all you have to do is just scroll down and click this yellow apply for jobs button, and this page will show up, the apply page. So it will show some links like download application form. So if you just click on application form here, it will show the form for registrations. All you have to do is just select the job you want. For in this case, we're selecting proofreading jobs. So you just select proofreading jobs and your name, email, date of birth, gender, marital status, your contact number, country, and so on. If you are a professional status, you just can select freelancer, and you can select your work, available work time. I recommend select all, and then you are comfortable to work with multiple companies, select multiple companies. And your best way to receive earnings, I recommend you select PayPal, because this is the very easy and fast way to get payment. And just agree to their terms and signature. Just write your full name here and hit submit. That's it. This is a one-page form to get registered to Creative Jobs. So all you have to do is then they're going to send you according to their jobs category. They are going to send you some sample works like here. They're going to send you some sample images, sample text to proofread and understand your level of proofreading. So they send you emails. Just check it regularly. Your email, you will get an email from them for sample work. You just download that sample work and proofread that and send them back to the Creative Jobs, and you are good to go with that. So all you have to do is just use my recommended tools that I have to show you right now. But before that, if you're liking this video, please go down below, press the like button and the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and press the bell notification so you always get notified on my latest videos. So let's jump back into the tools that I'm about to show you right now. Is called Grammarly.com. Yes, you heard it may already, but this is a really #1 professional tool to check, proofread any articles, any errors, anywhere. It will work with that. So you can just go over to Grammarly.com. If you're just working in a browser, I'm using Firefox here. if you just use Chrome, you can use Chrome. Just add it to your browser by clicking this button. If I just click on add to Firefox, it will add it to my browser. If you just add it to your Chrome, you can see this logo here. It's installed in my browser already. And if you just click on that, it will ask for you to sign up. You just put your email, passwords, and hit sign up, and you are good to go. Also, you can join it with Facebook, Google, or Apple account as well without any problem. So for sample work, if I just get some sample works from like southernliving.com websites, they have shown some grammatical error article that I just take for sample. And you can see that if I just go over to the Google Docs and paste that article to it, and you can see that how easy on the right side Grammarly is actively doing the proofreading. If you just see that all the red color marks, you can just click on it. You can see it's showing the correct word and correct spelling, and it's correcting it without any problem. You just have to click on it and it will be corrected in seconds, and very good way. This is a free tool, awesome free tool, and you can do proofreading in seconds without any problem in a professional way. And when you proofread the whole article, you just send back that article to Creative Jobs, and you will good to go with earning money. And you can earn more than $1,250 without any problem. So just be active and money will definitely follow you. As I always say, if you are not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button, stay with my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.